Welcome to a new Flashes with ADJA series E-Learning. Today we're diving into schedule formulas in Excel, focusing on one of the most popular, determining the start and end dates of activities. The formula we'll be using is called network, but keep in mind that one type automatically accounts for weekends, and another type allows you to define the holidays yourself. Today we'll work with the second type, network INTL. Simply put the start date and the duration. And Excel will automatically calculate the end date. While considering the holidays, be carefully with fix the cells, so the formula remains accurate when copied. The start date is fixed, but the activity start might be delayed according to the agreed schedule. Repeat the same steps for the end date. The start date will now be the activity start. The duration will be the activity's duration. Enjoy working with network.intl to calculate start and end dates while accounting for holidays. See you in next ADJA